fearsome line begin.
To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion.
Indian President and
I'm Nikki from class 7B to deliver you the news headlines of the 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news like curfew, closure of schools in any states to check out COVID spread.
The Mongolian meeting was celebrated all over the Assam on August 29. BJP President JP Nadda opened Northeast BJP office. The office name was Padma Bhavan.
Firstly, beginning with some national institute news. Monkeypox virus kills a man in Kerala. A terrorist linked to cluster at Taiwan was put death on Sunday morning in Jammu. Assam lost 8 press cases of Tamani sensitivity.
Delhi found air to the Indian flight from Chennai made emergency landing in Kolkata. Uttar Pradesh witnessed the battles for the Tiranga in Ladakh in Independence Day.
To deliver the news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. China used 14 warships, 66 aircraft in Sunday drills. Taiwan over 80,000 tourists trapped in China's Hawaii. Today, our standing of the of 8 is standing in front of you to deliver the importance of today's date in history. On this day in 1990, Iraq invaded Kuwait, leading to the Gulf War. On this day in 1858, the British Parliament passed the Government of India Act 1858, which passed the Indian administration into British Crown from East India Company.
I am today in a life from class 7 which carry
person what is inside you. Good morning. This is Raj Chakravarti of class 7C standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the topic science students. From the Egyptian sunrise of 1500 BC to the modern day of agriculture, science has came a long way. It has been the cornerstone of the very human civilization. Never ever humanity has experienced such revolutionary changes as it experiences.
Kajri have come to deliver a speech on the topic music has the power to heal. Music can make a big difference to people with brain injuries and it can activate the brain in alternative ways. It helps bypassing the damaged area and allowing people to regain movement as well as speech. Therefore, the brain allowing people to regain movement and speech.
Respected father, members of the teaching staff, and you all my dear BOSCONIANS. I am Tanya Pegu from class 7B standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic personality. A personality is made up of thought, feeling and behavior that makes a person unique. Thus, personality represents the qualities, the traits and behavior of a person.
Today's word for the day is learn to listen, because when you listen you learn something new. But when you talk, you repeat or revise the same thing you know. Thank you.
Everyone present in this morning assembly. Today's thought for the day is you cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Thank you.
If you look at the organization, there are numerous problems that come to our mind. And in the process of solving the problems, we never look at the blessings that come to our aid.
As we improve academically, it's our character. We might be born in a rich family, or we might have very many qualifications, or we must be holding some job. In spite of all these qualifications and things that what we do, ultimately what counts for you is your integrity and your behavior.